Welcome to Pomilo TV. Lil Zobo goes to sleep. Close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, sleep. Lil Zobo goes to sleep. Deep, deep, deep. He dreams of a park, a chocolate park, a chocolate park, a chocolate park. The trees are chocolate brown and sweet. The grass is chocolate, a yummy treat. Chocolate flowers, chocolate sky. Chocolate birds go flying by. Yum, yum, chocolate fun. Yum, yum, chocolate fun. A chocolate slide, so smooth and wide. Slide, slide, slide. A chocolate pool, so soft and cool. Splash, splash, splash. Jump in the pool. Jump, jump, jump. Chocolate bubbles, bump, bump, bump. The fountain bubbles, pop, pop, pop. The candy lamps go plop, plop, plop. The candy lamps are pink and bright, glowing in the chocolate night. Everything is chocolate, sweet and brown. The happiest park in the whole wide town. Yum, yum, chocolate fun. Yum, yum, chocolate fun. Wake up, Lil Zobo, open your eyes. Wake up, Lil Zobo, a big surprise. Look to the left, look to the right. Morning sun is warm and bright. On the table, what do you see? Chocolate treats for you and me.